You say hello, Romeo? What are you doing? You say hello? Say hello. Yeah. See yourself on the camera? Talk to me. Say hello.
Hello?
Hello, baby. Hello, baby boy. What are you doing? You want it to pet you on the head? Yeah, you do. You just want to be petted on the head. Yeah. Do. Yes. Hey, baby. Hey, sugars. You're on camera. Your little feathers are all kinds of messed up right now. All kinds of disarray. What are you doing? Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing, silly boy? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, Romeo? What are you doing? You're so silly. You wanna knock on wood? You knock on wood? Knock on wood for mommy. Knock on wood. 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 You just want to be petted, yes. You just a love bug. Yeah. Knock on wood. Can you tell it? Say knock on wood. Get it. Well, that's cute. You're knocking on wood, aren't you? Do it. Yeah. Leave that stuff alone. Yeah. What you doing? Leave those alone. Leave that alone. Troublemaker. You said you're troublemaker. Oh, no, it's Daddy's papers. No, can't come over there. It's your turn. Your turn. No, what are you doing? You can get out of there. Come over here. Knock on wood. You do it all the time. You're not going to do it because I'm taping you? Is that it? Your turn. Come on, buddy. Come on, Rotten. Okay. Come on. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Say pretty bird. Can you say pretty bird? Say pretty bird. Can you wolf whistle? Come on. Come on. Hello. Say hello to my little friend. Hello to my little friend. Look at his eyes. Look at those gorgeous eyes. Yeah. Yeah, you know you're pretty, don't you? Okay. You done for the night? Okay. Bye-bye.